Hello, this is Chef Josephine, and I'm gonna make my favorite Italian dish, gnocchis. So we're gonna have 4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, and 2 cups of ricotta cheese. 4 cups of flour on your workspace and create like this well with a big hole in it. What you need to do is crack the 1 egg and put it into the big hole. Beat it with the fork. So I put all the ingredients into the well, and now I'm kneading it with my hands. Form a dough.
Okay.
Keep kneading it until it forms a dough. Now what you do is roll it out and then take a pizza cutter and cut it, and then take that part off, and then roll it. Now what you need to do is take the pizza cutter and cut it. Take the pizza cutter, cut it. Take the pizza cutter and cut it. Take the pizza cutter and cut it. One way to make them decorative is you can either do a fork imprint or you could do your thumb imprint. Right away, then you could store them in the freezer. So your water has to be boiling to put them in, and then you have to wait until they float to the top. They're done when they float to the top, and then you just add your sauce.